Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Nada sir, Kiran ma'am, dear Roshni Didi, esteemed guests, my teachers, my peers, and dear parents. It's an honor to be addressing you today as the valedictorian student of Vidyayan's first batch. I am Shikha Sirohi, and I come from a village called Saidpur, located in Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh. My father is a farmer and the only earning member of our family. My mother is a homemaker. My parents have always worked hard to provide a stable foundation for our family of five. I believe that it's my responsibility to do my best so that in a few more years, I may be able to stand beside my father and help my younger siblings aspire for a better life. Most of you gathered here today represent my extended family, for you have seen me laugh, cry, grow, and become the Shikha that stands before you today. Vidyagan changed the course of my life, for in future, I would always look at my life in the binary of my pre-Vidyagan days and post-Vidyagan days. This is not just a graduation ceremony for me. This is a bittersweet moment. Like every other girl and boy from my class, I am also excited about the future, but even scared. It seems like yesterday when I stepped into Vidyagan as a student of class 6th. But as a matter of fact, it has been approximately 2,555 days since that morning when I was inducted. What a great journey this has been. Today's event is just symbolic for the certificate that we received today, encapsulates what we learned in class, but it does not say what life lessons we have learned over the course of 7 years. Also, in no way does this day represent the end of our relationship with our school, for I shall proudly carry the name of my school no matter where I go in the years to come. Vidyagan was an opportunity. I had the best teachers and facilities and the love that one can ever expect from the family. Beyond the classroom, our teachers became our life coaches and guides. When I joined in 2009, there were just 200 children in the school. Our teachers helped us adjust to the new environment. We got personalized attention from all our teachers who helped us create our own schedules for studies and other activities. Through mock tests, mentor meetings, and constant counseling, our teachers were always challenging and supporting us to achieve more. I do not know where I will stand in another 10 years, but I will never forget the faces that I see before me today, the happy faces of my classmates and their family members. I stand over here with 1,000 memories, and I cannot relive them all on this stage. However, I can stand here and tell you without a shred of doubt that Vidyagan has taught us to never bend down or give up. We will be going out into the world, each of us following different paths and following different dreams. And to my fellow graduates, I would like to say, let our goals be stated here and now. That we must not just stop at merely studying in a college or having a degree. What we have received from Vidyagan is an extremely valuable gift. Let that reflect in our success and accomplishment, measured not only by having a career or a white-collar job or financially stable life, but by being the embodiment of every lesson that has been imparted to us by our Roshni Didi and our teachers. Thank you, everyone.